Welcome to the final year presentation of Bachelor of Electrical and Computer System Engineer. My name is Chun Kai-Chu.
I'm Yuki Zhang.
And that's the third member of us, an R.F.I.D enabled entry system.
With the development of society, technology, and people's awareness of security, a traditional door lock with a key will not be able to satisfy our needs because of insecure and inefficient. The traditional locker is simply a mechanical device. No matter how reasonable the design of the structure, how strong the material, people can always break in easily. Furthermore, if someone lost the key, the locker has to be replaced. Therefore, we are aiming to build an efficient, secure, and flexible entry system based on R.F.I.D. During this project, we first designed and implemented the circuit. Then, we also designed and built the PCB board according to the circuit we had built. The operating system based on PSOC microcontroller board was designed and built by us. For the convenience of demonstration, a door frame was designed and implemented. Cases were built for the protection of PCB boards. And this is our amazing poster. We can also use this system on residential properties, apartment, and office. Here are the expectations of the design at the beginning of the project. We have achieved all of them. This is the system diagram. There is a microcontroller, which is the brain of the entire system. A R.F.I.D reader is used to read ID card information based on radio frequency, and the keypad for password input. To store card's data, password, and all other configurations, a memory chip was used. It can keep all data even the power is off. A real-time clock can provide real-time to the system. LCD display is used to visualize message, and a relay to control digital locker. The buzzer will beep when keypad is pressed. We also built a doorbell system. We built the circuit on breadboard first. After making sure everything is fine, we then start designing our PCB board using Ultimate Designer. Here is the first version of our PCB. During the PCB design, we were aiming to design a PCB as small as possible, not only because smaller PCB cost less to be manufactured, but also because a potential customer would prefer a more compact door entry system with same functionality. Therefore, we designed our second version PCB. Compared to the first version, our second version outdoor module is 14% smaller, indoor module is 21% smaller. The system could store up to 100 ID cards information and up to around 10,000 logs. Apart from ID card, the access could be gained by input 6 digital passwords. After 10 false attempts, the system will be locked for 10 minutes. The manual system was designed for customized settings. Backup battery could provide power to the system when DC power supply is not available. There is also a doorbell system and emergency exit button.
Okay, now let's see the demonstration of our project. As you would see here is door, and we have two separate modules. This one is for the outdoors, and this one is for the indoors. For the indoors module, you see here is the PSOC microcontroller board, and here is a 128 by 64 dots display used for user interface. As you can see, the main screen is a clock. We have date, month, and year. A 24-hour format clock, weekday, and a temperature. Monash University logo and the scale is flipping every 1 second. An infrared remote control is used to control the system and customizing system settings. So we can press this menu button to go to menu system, and press this key we can back to the home screen. This red button is used to open your door. If you are struggling with an online game and your brother knocks at the door, you can simply press this button to open the door for him and don't have to stop your game. So if I press this button, you will see now this door is open and locked again. Also, we have an emergency button to exit. If the end of world is coming, nothing with electronics working, as long as you have grid power or backup battery power, you can press this button to exit. So if I press this button, you will see the doors can open. Yep. So stop. Now it's locked. Here is a connector for the locker, and a backup battery pack is connecting to this header. If the system lost grid power, the battery will connect the system automatically. Once you have the grid power again, the system will cut off battery power. This is done by this relay. Now let's show the real functionality. So if I unplug this AC power, so you will see now the battery is providing the power to the system. If I plug this AC adapter again, so this red LED is on, which means the power is powered by this AC adapter. For the outdoors module, we got a keypad. For the password, a R.F.I.D reader, which is under the keypad. And here is a push button for the doorbell. If I press this button, you will hear a quite loud doorbell sound come from the indoors module. So here you will see 3 LEDs for the indication of our system status. The first one is a blue LED. If the blue LED is on, which means the system is standing by. The system is ready for you to touch your ID card. If the ID card has access, the green LED will on. While if you don't have access, the red LED will on. Okay, now let's show how we can add ID card to our system. So now this card has no access to our system, and I'm going to add this card. Manage card, add ID card, and I touch this ID card. This is got my ID number, press down. So you will see now this ID card has access to our system. Now let's show how we can delete an ID card from our system. So there are 2 ways to delete an ID card from our system. First, it can be touched. So touch your ID card, so press down. Okay. Now this card has no access to our system. So also if you lost your ID card, you can delete it from the system as well. So it's by searching. So this card, press down. So you will see this card has no access to the system. So if you forget to bring your ID card, you can access to your door by pressing password. And you may change the password from our system as well. So user password can be set it. So maybe 111. Okay, now we can use new password to access our system. And you can also check the system logs, which is a system record. So it shows your ID number, have authority or not, and time access to our systems. So for young people, you may take only 3 seconds to enter the door, but for elder people, they may require longer time to enter the door. So we can change the lock time to 6 seconds. Here we can also set the system time. So we may set hour, minutes, year, month, date. And if some problems happens, you may also try to initialize our system. So press confirm. The system will be initialized. For security reason, if there are 10 false entry attempts, then the system will be locked for 10 minutes. Now the system is being locked. So if you touch ID card, there is no response, or press keypad. Now the system can be accessed.